Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can sell cryptos on your PayPal account. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, you have to log in into your PayPal account, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. So then you have to tap on buy and sell, which is under your crypto in the bottom left corner of your screen, and next interface you'll be able to see your cryptos that you invest more. Once again on this page you have to tap on buy and sell in the top right corner, and as you tap on it, next interface you'll be able to see the details, and what you have to do is you have to tap on sell in the bottom right corner of your screen. In case if you're selling the cryptos for the first time, then you will have this kind of pop-up right in center. So you have to confirm it, so then tap on continue. This page you have to enter the information in order to confirm. So that includes entering your full name or a legal name that is associated with your PayPal account, and after that you have to enter the date of birth. You have to enter the taxpayer identification number that includes entering social security number, and once you're done, next you have to enter the current residential address. So after that there is terms and conditions, so make sure to go through it, and also don't forget to mark on the box. And once you're done with this, and if you're gone through it, once again you have to enter in your first and a last name and then tap on submit. After you're done submitting your information, once again there's a pop-up. Now over here what you need to do is you have to enter in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to sell or the crypto that you want to sell. And in case you want to sell all of your cryptos, then you have to tap on sell all, which is right at the bottom. And on this page you have to double check all of your information, and in case you're sure about it, tap on sell now, which is right at the bottom, and that's it. So that is how you can sell cryptos on your PayPal account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.